I want to share one of my favorite sets this holiday season, especially if you're a makeup minimalist, if you're looking to gift a preteen or a teen just getting into makeup. I think this is such a great gift because it's going to be clean and healthy for them, especially in those formidable years of being 13, starting to understand what's in their products. So especially in mascara, of course, there's no carbon black in ours. And of course, in this liquid cream shadow, talc free, of course, and then the responsibly sourced vanilla in our lip gloss. That's also conditioning. And the number one thing people ask about lip gloss is no, it's not sticky. So I'm gonna show you, I just have on my Skin Twin foundation, a little bit of concealer and a little bit of eyebrow gel. And so how you apply these, this is a brand new color, so we don't have this yet. It's called Solar. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can apply it with a brush, but the best way to do it, I don't have any mascara on, is just apply and then press in with your finger. These are buildable colors, and you can see it's such a light shade. So great for preteens, great for a little holiday color. You always want to clean up that way. And then if you want to add more, just very subtle, you can just keep building that color. And then number two is the mascara. I'm going to use my larger size because I'm going to save this one probably for a giveaway. And you just can layer this. So I love this too for teens or kiddos just starting out with makeup, 13, 14, because you can just put one layer on, defines the lashes. If they're just starting out, no need to put it on that lower lash. That's more for a night look, I think. And then if you want to keep building, let it dry. So go do the other eye and then keep building 2 to 3 coats to give that more defined look. So mascara, and then the last one is this lip gloss. This is the first time I've put this on, so I'm excited. And this color is Lotus. Okay, sorry, I can't read that. Need some glasses. Lotus Shimmer. Thanks for waiting. Love the doe foot because I feel like with brushes, sometimes it pushes the color around. So with this doe foot, you can get that application. It goes on, it's really subtle. And then of course, it's also buildable. So if you want more, a deeper color, you would just keep layering. So I think that's a nice subtle look. You could put a little cheek, one of our other sets that I'll be showing in a little bit on there, but such a subtle look, and wanted to share that holiday set with you.